Hi, I'm Motherly Sage, your decision coach and mentor, and here is your choice for the week: distraction. Distraction original meaning is the drawing away of the mind from one point or course to another or others. And this week is a great time to reflect on how you are drawing your mind in different directions. So think about what is causing you to draw your mind in different directions. How has this mental confusion caused you to overcomplicate what you are saying? And then what would you have to do when using your power of choice to not be neglectful and to ensure that what you are saying is clear and concise and doesn't cause any turmoil? And last, how can you use your power of choice wisely to find mental clarity? Therefore, what you say will enrich other people's lives. So during this reflection period, take your time to understand what attention are you attracting to yourself by becoming a conscious observer, and observe what underdeveloped emotional state are you in when you are using your power of choice. Are you making decisions and taking actions from an underdeveloped emotional state of provoking or gloominess, which is how your expression is showing the lack of clarity in your mind? And if so, which one and why? And what choices would you have to make to take accountability of your underdeveloped emotional state to ensure that your mind, that your body and your spirit has the peace it requires in order to speak the truth? So be open to a variety of multiple ways to broaden your power of choice on what peace looks and feels like in your mind, in your body, and in your spirit. And last, remember that whatever you choose, it's your power of choice, so use it wisely. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to receive these weekly choices. And always remember, during this week, be in your power. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.